Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope all of you guys out there are staying safe. Today's video is sponsored by AUTO-VOX. Huge shout out to them for sending me some product. If you guys are not familiar with AUTO-VOX, they pretty much sell rearview mirrors that have a dash cam, GPS, and a backup camera. I know a lot of our Lexuses already come with backup cameras, but this is good for all you guys who don't have a backup camera and wish to purchase one. Also, if you guys have not checked out Smellables, check them out. I always rock their air fresheners on my car, and they recently came out with a crew neck sweater. This is embroidered right here, and this thing is awesome. It's so sick. I really like the design. It's super simple, super clean. This is literally the perfect stay-at-home sweater, but it also looks so good going out too. But I've been wearing this every single day ever since the whole quarantine stay-at-home order, which I also hope you guys are following and staying safe. We're basically going to be upgrading my Broadway mirror. I already went ahead and opened up everything. They packaged everything up really neatly. I just went ahead and double checked, made sure everything was there, and I wanted to familiarize myself with the product. This is the mirror. Let's go compare this with my Broadway real quick. Damn, it's a good size. So here's the coolest thing about this. Bam, we got a dash cam. This is so freaking sick because I've been needing one too, and honestly, huge shout out to Jay. Thank you for reaching out and sending me this dope ass product. So it also has your typical wires. This one goes into the backup camera. This is so sick because you can mount this right there where the OEM one is. You can mount it onto your license plate, or you can mount this somewhere up behind the windshield. And that's not all, it comes with freaking GPS. Take this bad boy off. Damn it, I forgot how ugly the OEM one is. I love how the camera extends too, that's awesome. Give you guys the front view. This is going in here to a cigarette lighter. This GPS right here. This goes right into the backup camera, which will be mounted on the windshield. So right now, I don't really want to tuck all of these wires because it does require removing the headliner. But when I do want to tuck, it's very simple. I can just tuck this through here, have it go over to the pillar here, run it down this line underneath the passenger seat that I'm sitting in, and come up over through this little crevice and back into the power. Backup camera is going to be a little bit trickier. We're going to have it go all the way through here, go across this spot, down the pillar there, and then mount it over here. As for the GPS, that one's really simple. Have it go up through here, underneath the visor right here, and go down this pillar. And I can either leave it in this pillar or have it like exposed somewhere on the dash. Super simple. I just don't want to do that right now. Let's go ahead and turn this bad boy on. Ooh, that is nice. Oh shoot, this is the backup camera. That is awesome. Oh my God, hold on, let me see if I can see me. Yo, dude, I'm gonna start vlogging with this. What's up guys, how's it going? That is awesome. How do I, oh, that is crazy. You can adjust the brightness. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, it's also touchscreen. Oh, I just realized that this is dual camera. Oh my, you know what this reminds me of? It's like a Nintendo DS. Damn, I really love this product. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that little install. I just wanted to show you guys how it works. This is a great product. Thank you so much, Jay, for sending me this. All right, guys, see how it looks. Whoa, this is some high-tech shit. 2020 just got way more high-tech. I'm so stoked on this product, and after I'm done rocking it for a little bit, I might install it on my dad's car because I showed him and he actually really likes it. And the good thing about his car is that his headliner has not been touched yet, so I have full control in order to tuck all the wires and do everything properly. Because you guys know I do have the Rolls-Royce LED Starlight roof, so it's gonna be a little tricky to wire around that. But let me know down in the comments below, do you guys want to see me install it on my dad's car? I honestly want to start tricking out my dad's car just a little bit. But if you guys really like the product and you're interested, the link will be in the description below. There's a USA version and a UK version. So all you guys out in the UK who watch my videos, you can purchase it as well, and it'll be according to your country. I will also have a 25% off promo code in the description. So that's good for you guys if you guys really want to try this out. I know a lot of you guys don't have the luxury of a backup camera and all that stuff, so this is really convenient. I think I'm gonna pick this video back up tomorrow because there's not really much left for me to do today. I'm just gonna be running running errands around the house, helping my parents, and just kicking it during this quarantine. But I do have parts that are coming in, and I will show you guys later on in this video. So I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching this install. Guys, I'm finally going to install this one part. I always say this in every single video, but this one part that I've been wanting to install for a while. I've had it under my bed for the last like 2 months. I have a special guest with me here. I don't know if you guys remember Ian.
What's up, man?
Rocking the hoodie.
Yeah, man.
Oh.
What up?
Finally, get the merch.
That's right, we're plugging it in. How comfy is it?
It's really comfy.
Nice.
Especially, it's a little baggy. I got the XL, but it's really comfortable.
It looks good on you though. Look at this fit. Woo. But since we're gonna be installing this, not today, I'm sadly getting rid of my side skirt extensions, but on the bright side, it's going to another enthusiast. So Ian is actually gonna be rocking my side skirts, giving him a good deal. He's actually gonna get these painted for me. What we're gonna do right now is just take these off, give them to him, and he's gonna take these. Actually, I don't even know how you're gonna fit all of this in your car.
It should, hopefully.
Because we can like try to install it onto your car now, but it's just, I don't know if you have time. Let's try to get this off. He's gonna get these painted for me, so I'm not gonna see them for another 2 weeks, so we're gonna pick this video back up then. But I will show you guys once I get these off, because I'm sure you guys haven't seen these off my car since the first time I put them on. And they pretty much look the same. They're not dinged up at all whatsoever. They're paint matched, but Ian said he's gonna get them paint matched, so it doesn't even matter. Let's go ahead and get started. I actually forgot that you guys are wondering what side skirts these are. These are black pearl complete side skirts. And I know it may not look like it because they're primered, but they're normally white. All Japan parts from Japan usually come white, even if they're fiberglass. That authenticity, baby. I wasn't expecting to get these. A buddy of mine sold them to me for a really good price that I couldn't pass up. He pretty much gave it to me half off of retail. I originally wanted to get Rowan so then I can have 3 different body kits on my car. But like I said, these came up for a really good deal. I'm not the biggest fan of them, but it will match the rest of my body, so fuck it. Let me know what you guys think. If these are better than my side skirts. Now this is a complete replacement, so yes, my OEM side skirts are going to be up for sale, so whoever wants them, let me know down in the comments below. Finally got one off by side skirt. My car's gonna look really naked after this. Woo! The side skirt lips are off. It doesn't look that naked, but I'm sure once I get it off that wood block, it'll look really bad. It's gonna look all right, but your car, once it's paint matched and then with your front lip, whew, everything's gonna like tie together. Guys, isn't it crazy? When I first saw Ian, like, when was it? Last Christmas? November till now, look at this. Dude's on super downs, got the Remark exhaust still, new roof spoiler. Everything's coming along. And then under the hood, you got the strut bar. It's dope. Oh yeah, the rotors.
I just need wheels.
No, but it's coming along. Patience, young Padawan, patience. All right, but that's pretty much it for today. Got the side skirts off. Ian's gonna get them taken care of for me, so thank you so much.
I got you, man.
And that's pretty much it. I will probably see you guys in the next clip, whenever that will be. Ian said it's gonna be 2 weeks, but you never know. It could be like tomorrow. Fuck it, we'll see. And then I'll install those side skirts, and I still kind of want to put something underneath the side skirt just because this is how I am. We'll see how it looks when it's done, and I'll see you guys then. What up, guys? It's been a few days since I gave Ian the side skirts. They're already done. I'm gonna get them tomorrow. I'm over here with Josh.
Oh!
We're filming, installing some parts on his E92. Look at this. We got a full house over here. But look at these carbon fiber goodies he got. Head to the channel to see him install these. We were planning on installing our carbon fiber mirror caps the same day, which is today, but look at what happened. They sent me 2 of the exact same ones. God damn it, dude. The worst part is I should have opened these up and checked them, but I only opened up one because I wanted to keep the other one packaged so I can unbox it for you guys. And then right when I was about to film, I was like, wait, I'm just gonna check it out anyways because it felt kind of weird. And they sent me both of the exact same ones. I'm honestly not that bummed because it took forever to come and they refunded me my money because I didn't get it on time. So it's not a complete loss, but I don't really have anything to install. So I'm gonna be helping Josh today. I do have these. I don't know if you guys have heard of Aerowolf USA. He makes some sick mirror visors. This is so fire. So technically, this is gonna go right here, but you see how it doesn't really fit? I'm gonna be using the heat gun to kind of straighten this out so it fits my mirror more. But yeah, dude, I got these like 2 months ago and I've been waiting to install these with the mirror caps, and unfortunately I can't, so I guess I'm just gonna install these. But let me at least show you guys how these would have looked. So you put 3M on the other side. and it would just be like that.
Damn, that's fire.
It doesn't look that bad, but to be honest, I would much rather paint match it. I mean, maybe I'll see if I can email them and see if I could just buy one, but I know a lot of these places won't sell them individually, and these on eBay are like 200 bucks. I got these for 80 and I got my money back. I can try to find someone who will just sell me one, but most likely they won't. Whatever, it's all good. We're not gonna cry about it. I'm gonna install these though.
Once you start tackling it.
Look how cute he looks. My little vlogger. While Josh is filming over there, I'm gonna use the heat gun, heat this up, and straighten it out as much as I can. All right guys, so I got everything heated up. Should be looking like that. It's not bad. Take you guys to the other side. These are being held on by double-sided 3M tape. And just for shits and giggles, I'll put this on too. So I'm kind of glad that I'm not able to install this because it would look kind of weird without this extended as well, but it's not the worst thing. Fuck it, what do you guys think? Should I just run one and just have this side have it? And then put this one onto my dad's car without him knowing. Damn, first mod. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. I wanted to go with this carbon fiber mirror cap because I knew down the line I would paint match it. And it looks a lot different. I don't see a lot of people running it. I've only seen about like 3 people. Not on the IS at least, I've seen it on the RC. It's not the worst. I really wish this didn't flare up. I wish it went more flat down. Kind of like Josh's. It's not as pointy either. Like this is how I'd want it. Kind of like an M3 Ganador style, but I'm honestly cool with this. I might just run it on one side for fun, take some photos with it, and then take it off. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Got some rain visors. Gonna help Josh take off all this adhesive right here, which is gonna suck. If you guys wanna check out All Aspects channel to see Josh's install, it's gonna be right here. And that's pretty much it. I'm really sorry that this install wasn't as great as it could have been. You know, shit happens when working on your car. It's not that big of a deal. But the next video will be a lot better. I'll be able to install the black pearl side skirts because they're finished being painted. Yes. Can't wait for that. But yeah guys, I'm gonna keep helping Josh. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video when we get to install these super dope side skirts. So don't forget, it's always better to look good than to feel good. Oh, later. I also forgot to show you guys. They work.